What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a car jack. Most cars come with a car jack located in the trunk. On the 2008 Mazda 3, it's located on the left side of the trunk. So you can just remove the cover. Then I remove the bolt that's holding the jack in place. So when you go to jack your car up, you want to make sure that you're on a flat, dry, level surface. In my case, I'm on gravel. So I'll put a board down underneath where I'm going to place the jack. Then I'll place the jack on top of the board and underneath the pinch weld. Engage your parking brake and put chocks behind your back wheels, if possible. Then we're ready to raise our jack. So I'm turning it by hand to raise it up to get it set in position. Then I attach the handle hook onto the jack. I turn it clockwise and the car will begin to raise. After you've completed your work, you'll want to return your jack to its proper location. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.